Hey guys, it's Luke here and welcome back to another video. You join me today with an E63. Now I've never filmed one of these in this generation before. I have filmed the facelift generation, more modern generation, but these, I've always loved the shape of them. Really cool. Actually a really clean looking example as well. Running near enough pretty much 750 horsepower, which is, dare I say it, maybe the perfect power for one of these. Still drivable, and to be honest, you don't really have to do that much to it. We've got stock engine, stock turbos, stock coolers. Of course, we are joined with Jack, the owner of the car. We'll introduce you to him very shortly. He can run through basically what he's done to it before we go out for a spin. Okay, we're joined now with Jack, the owner of the E63. Mate, thank you so much for bringing this down for me to film today. It's a proper clean car.
It is, yeah. Yeah, I have looked after it. It's a very, very clean example.
Absolutely. I mean, even the underside of the bonnet's clean.
Yeah.
Got to be done. But I'm loving the aesthetics of the car. Actually, it looks really nice with the black and white.
Yeah, sort of OEM plus, not too much.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, it's it gets a lot of looks.
Yeah,
which is good.
I can imagine. But yeah, seeing we've got the bonnet open, we'll dive straight on in here. As I was saying, not really loads of stuff needs doing really. Obviously, you have done some bits, so it's all right to
yeah. So. First of all, they've got the black boost air intakes, really, really good air intake, and they've got lovely customisable plaque on them as well, which is quite cool. Once I fitted the black boost air intakes, as everyone knows, the air feed tubes are carpet and they get a bit worn, a few holes in them, so I upgraded them for the Spall Performance air feeds. Makes a lot of difference. It's not all the air's not leaking out the sides basically, where the old fabric ones were. Other than that, under the hood we've got MTC downpipes, decat downpipes, and they're running straight through to the back boxes.
Nice.
That is about it.
Fair
under the
enough.
hood. The mapping wise, it was DMS have done a stage 2 map and a gearbox map on the car.
Yeah.
Can't fault it. Been fantastic really.
Yeah.
The TCU tune is really makes a shift snap. As you'll see in a bit, it is really, really good.
I suppose what I quite like about these, about the intakes, is obviously when you've got the bonnet open, they're open cone, I suppose. Yeah. So you can see them, but then obviously when you close the bonnet, it kind of acts as a closed. Yeah,
so you get it creates a seal around here. Yeah. And then obviously you've just got all the air going in there, so you've not got too much heat soak from the engine getting into the air boxes, which is nice. Yeah. They are the ones to get for this, really. There's not really many other options, to be honest, for these. I
mean, they're not that common, the cars, are they? You don't really see them.
No, and it's not the sort of car you can go get off the shelf stuff for straight away, because no one really stocks it.
Yeah,
so I've had to wait a while to get bits for it, just because there's not many of them around.
Yeah. But yeah, moving around anyway. Stock wheels on the car?
Yeah, so we've got stock wheels, Michelin PS4 tyres. I've had the brake calipers sprayed white, which is a brave move because they're always dirty, but if you like cleaning your car like me, it's all good. And then on the front suspension, we've got H&R lowering springs. Yeah. And on the rear, we have got drop links, as it's airbags on the back and springs on the front. Yeah. So yeah, they're adjustable drop links. I think I'm happy with the ride height as it is. Yeah. Yeah, it's not too low, and if the ride's not too harsh either.
Then round the back, got some nice little bits of carbon lip.
So round the back, we've got the Brabus style rear diffuser with the Brabus style tips. A nice addition, I think. Looks a little bit better than the standard ones. And then we've got the Brabus style rear lip, carbon lip as well. Black badges all the way around and de-chromed all the way around just to finish it off.
Got to be done.
Yeah, it has to be really. It doesn't really look decent with the chrome. They put too much chrome on them from factory, if I'm honest, so they need something sorting out.
It's a big car as well, though, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, you can fit 5 people in here. You know, you can get 3 or 4 sets of golf clubs in the boot. It's it does everything really. Yeah. I mean, apart from good on fuel.
Yeah, that's true. That is true. Yeah, that's true.
So I mean, on a long run, you get maybe 25 miles per gallon, and then when you're gassing it, 8. So. Yeah, it's miles per gallon, that's about it.
But you don't buy one for the fuel efficiency?
No, I mean, it's for me, it's a weekend car. I don't drive it in the week. I have a work van, so it just gets hammered at the weekends and cleaned.
Yeah, awesome. But yeah, no, if that's pretty much everything, I think we'll get it fired up and go for a spin.
Cool, nice one.
Sounds amazing. It's like barking.
Yeah, it makes a good noise.
Yeah. It kind of loses its weight when you floor it.
Yeah, I mean, I think the torque helps.
Oh, the the downshifts are amazing. Yeah, it's proper.
Yeah, it's makes a good noise.
Yeah. Hooks up quite well.
Yeah, I mean the traction was flashing a little bit there.
Yeah.
You can obviously take it out, but it just lights them up. That's the
Yeah.
problem.
Oh. It's such an angry noise.
It's brutal.
So that is basically a straight pipe all the way through.
Yeah, to the back, and then it's just got standard back boxes. I mean, if I didn't have back boxes, then I think my neighbours would probably shoot me. I mean, they already hate me, but.
You can tell it's torquey because short shifting, it's still putting the power down quite well.
Yeah, I mean, you know, fourth gear.
Flipping out, yeah.
Probably even fifth
Probably
gear.
even fifth, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it will still put you back in your seat a bit.
What sort of draggy times have you got so far?
So I've done a 6.3.
6.3?
Yeah, I've not done any since I've had the exhaust work done, and I reckon it would probably do a good low 6.
Yeah.
Which for me, it's you're not really about spending another 5k.
Yeah.
I might only be 5.5.
Yeah,
so
exactly.
what's the point?
5k for half a second.
Yeah.
But that is very impressive considering it's so heavy and considering you're on stock turbos, stock intercoolers and everything like that.
Stock fuel pumps, everything stock.
It's like a good plug and play build, isn't it, really?
Yeah, I mean, for anyone that wants, 700 horsepower, you can buy this for 25k. You can buy one, it's 25 grand. Go to DMS, get a stage 1 map on it for £1,000.
Yeah.
You got 700 horsepower, 1100 newton meters.
1100.
And then what more can you're gonna smoke most things. And anyone that you're not smoking's probably put 15 grand into their engine.
Yeah,
so who's
true.
the winner?
Yeah, that's valid.
Yeah.
That's valid.
So bang for buck.
Yeah.
It's the way, and I know the 4 litre which goes into the C63s, you can get 600, 650 horsepower out of them quite easy. Anything more, you've got to start building. The torque will never be up to the torque that this gets.
Yeah, valid, yeah. Actually corners quite well. Not that bad in the corners.
It handles well. I think it handles well, and I mean I've stuck it into a few corners hard before, and it has never let me down.
Yeah.
And I've been B roads with a few cars that I've been set up. I keep up with them.
Yeah.
So it's I think it handles well. The only thing is it scrubs the inside of the tyres quick.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, eats the insides. Like I'll have 5 mil on the outside. There'll be nothing left on the inside.
Really?
Yeah. So. It's addictive.
It is, yeah, literally.
All the time.
Really nice interior as well, actually. I know it's obviously an outdated interior now with the analog dials and stuff, but it's aged so well. I love the design of that steering wheel.
I still think it stands up against new car interior, if I'm honest.
Yeah.
Like, I know you've not got all electronic gauges and bits and pieces, but do you want that?
Yeah, it can be a little bit much.
Is it almost too much?
Yeah. Thank you so much for coming down.
No
First time
worries.
I've been out in this generation E63, and it was, as expected, a lot of fun. But yeah, if you guys do want to learn more about the build, then I will leave Jack's Instagram link down in the description down below. But for me today, that is it. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, please make sure you leave a like and make sure to subscribe for all the adventures still to come.